Hey guys, this is Colby. Today I'm going to show you how to import a base mesh into Blender just using some free models online. So pretty much you can just go to Google and search up any website that has like free 3D models. In this case, I'm going to be using cgtrader.com. You could also do Blender like Market or Turbo Squid. That's another good option as well. But once you have a model, you can just search it up, free base mesh, and download any one that you want. So for this one, I might just download this model right here. Press download. Once the timer goes down, in this case, it'll be an FPX file. Just press download, and there it is. So now if I go into Blender, you can go to File, Imports, and I'm gonna import an FBX. I'm gonna go to where I downloaded that new file, and there it is. There's our object. It also has an armature that comes with it. So, it's some models have armatures that come with them, just as a little bit of extra help. But that's pretty much the basics of how you import a model into Blender. Just File, Imports. You can do FBX or OBJ files are pretty common as well. An OBJ file is basically just a raw like mesh. It's just the model itself. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. I will do my best to answer them. But hopefully this cleared up some confusion on how to pretty much get started with creating armored characters inside Blender. So pretty much I just always kind of do this process of just like having a free base mesh. I'll download it online, and then I'll just kind of add armor pieces to it from here. It just helps me out, and that's kind of like how I like to make characters. But anyways, I hope you guys found this video useful, and see you guys next time.